Hello, good morning students. How are you all? I hope all of you are good. So we were doing our chapter number 13, surface area and volume, and we have completed our 3 exercise. Today we will start the next exercise. This is exercise 13.4. And 13.4, in 13.3 we have done about the cylindrical shape and what will be the volume of the cylinder, surface area and surface area of the cylinder, total surface area and curved surface area. But in this exercise we will read about the sphere. So what will be the sphere? Sphere means you can see a ball. Okay, ball will be like a sphere. Okay, sphere. Sphere means gola. Okay, and what will be that? So it will be the shape of a ball, you can say. And what will be the surface area of the sphere? So surface area of sphere will be, total surface area of the sphere will be always 4 pi r square. And if you will talk about the curved surface area of the sphere, so it will be 2 pi r square. 2 pi r square. So this one will be the curved surface area and this one will be the total surface area of the sphere. So here find the surface area of the sphere whose radius is given. First 10.5 centimeter, second one is 5.6 and third one is 14 centimeter. Okay. So you will find out the surface area. When surface area is given, so I have already told you, you will talk about the total surface area. Okay. So here simply in the solution you can write down, if radius is 10.5 centimeter, so what will be the total surface area? So it will be 4 pi r square, and 4 into pi is not given in the question, so always you will take 22/7. After that r square, so r square means 10.5 into 10.5. okay, now 4 into 22/7, and you can divide it by 10 because you will remove the decimal, and here also 105 upon 10. Clear? Now you can cancel out 7 ones are 7 and 7 5s are 35. 15 7s are 105. Clear? Now you will multiply it. So 22 2s are 48. Sorry, 88. Multiply 15. Multiply 105 and divide by 10 into 10. So it will be 100. Clear? And you can cancel out here also. Okay, if you want. Otherwise you can do like that as it is. Okay, and after that you can write it in the point also. So what will be that? You can multiply 105 and 15. So it will be 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5 and 105. So 5 plus 2 7, 5 and 1. Now you will multiply it by 88. So 8 5s are 40, 8 7s are 8 5s are 40, 0 4, 8 7s are 56 or 4 60. 6 and 12. Okay, so it will be 1 2 6 0 0. So 0 0 6 8 3 and 1. So it will be 1 3 8 6 0 and divide by what is given, 100. So you will divide it by 100. So 2 0 cancel out. So what is left? 1 3 8 6, and all the radius are given in the centimeter, and this is the total surface area of the you can say this is total surface area of sphere, so it will be in the centimeter square. So this one will be your answer of the first part. Clear? So like that you can solve all the next two parts also, second and third. What will you do? Simply radius is given and you have to find out the surface area of the sphere. So what will be the surface area of the sphere? Sphere will be like a ball. You can see a ball. You can take any ball and ball will be like a sphere. And in the sphere, what will be the total surface area of the sphere? Will be always 4 pi r square, and the curved surface area will be 2 pi r square. Okay. So you will apply the formula when they are asking the surface area. It means you will find out the total surface area. So simply put the value, radius you have, pi you have, and now put the value and find out the answer. So it will be 1386 centimeters square. Clear? So this was your question number first. Next two parts you will complete yourself. Yes. So now we will start our next question. Question number 2. So it is given, find the surface area of a sphere whose diameter is given. Okay, so three parts are given again. So in the first question you have done you have found the total surface area when radius was given, and in this question diameters are given. So what will you do? First you will convert the diameter in the radius. You will do the half of the diameter, so it will be the radius of the sphere, and after that simply you can apply the formula of total surface area. And what will be the total surface area? So simply 4 pi r square you will apply, and you can do this questions yourself. Okay, so question number 2 I am not explaining. Now the next question we will start. What is the next question? Question number 3, find the total surface area of hemisphere whose radius is 10 centimeter and use pi is equal to 3.14. Clear? So it is hemisphere. Now in this question, what is given? Hemisphere. So what sphere means? Like a bowl. But when you are taking the hemisphere, so it will be half of the bowl. So it will be like that. Okay, it will be like that. Okay, and radius is given. So this one will be the radius, and it is given radius is equal to 10 centimeter. This is given radius is equal to 10 centimeter, and this one is like a hemisphere. And what will be that total surface area of hemisphere? So total surface area of hemisphere will be curved surface area 2 pi r square plus this part, this one area. Okay, so this one is like a circular, and circle area will be pi r square. So what will be the total surface area? So it will be 3 pi r square. So hemisphere total surface area will be 3 pi r square. So here apply the formula. So solution, radius of hemisphere is equal to 10 centimeter. Now the total surface area of hemisphere will be 3 pi r square. Okay, so 3 into pi. Here it is given pi, you will take 3.14. So 314 upon 100 I am writing, removing the decimal, into r square. So r will be 10 into 10. Now you can cancel out both the zeros. So it will be 3 into 314. So 3 4s are 12, 1, 3 1s are 3 and 1 4, and 3 3s are 9. So it will be 942, and radius is given in centimeter, and this is total surface area. So this one will be in the centimeter square. So this is your total surface area of hemisphere. So what will be the total surface area of hemisphere? 942 centimeter square. So this was your question number 3. Only when you are finding the total surface area of sphere, so you will apply the formula 4 pi r square. For hemisphere, you will apply the formula of total surface area 3 pi r square. And for the lateral surface area, you will apply 2 pi r square. Clear? So this was your question number 3. Yes. Now we will start our next question. Question number 4. So read the question. Radius of a spherical balloon increases from 7 centimeter to 14 centimeter as air being pumped into it. Find the ratio of the surface of balloon in 2 cases. Okay. Find the ratio of the surface of balloon in 2 cases. So simply it is given when radius is 7 centimeters. So first of all you will find out what will be the total surface area, and when it is increasing 14 centimeter from 7 centimeter, so what will be the surface area? So simply in both the cases you will find out the surface area simply. So solution, you will write when radius is equal to 7 centimeter, then surface area. Surface area means total surface area of sphere. Then total surface area of sphere will be 4 pi r square. So apply the formula 4 into pi. Pi is 22 by 7 and r square. It means 7 into 7. Cancel out. 88 into 7. So it will be 616. Okay. 7 8 is 56. 5 and 7 8 is 56 and 5. So it will be 616, and it is given in centimeter. So centimeter square. Because this is total surface area of the sphere. When you are finding the area, so you will put it in the square unit. Okay, square centimeter. Now when radius is equal to 14 centimeter, then total surface area of sphere will be 4 pi r square. Again same formula, but now the radius is 14. So 22 by 7 into 14 into 14. Clear? 7 2s are 14. Now 4 2s are 88 into 14 2s are 28. Clear? Now you have to find out the ratio of both the surface area. So what will be the ratio? So ratio will be surface area of the first radius 7 centimeters. So this is, I am writing in the form of 88 into 7. Okay. And now total surface area when the radius is 14 centimeter, it is 88 into 28. Now you can cancel out 88 and 7 1s are 7, 7 4s are 28. So it is 1 upon 4. It means you can write it as 1:4. So what will be the ratio of the total surface area? So it will be 1:4. So this was your question number 4. Simply radius of spherical balloon increases from 7 centimeter to 14 centimeter as air being pumped into it. Find the ratio of the surface of balloon in two cases. So simply first of all you will find out when the radius is 77 centimeter. So what will be the total surface area? And when the radius is 14 centimeters, so what will be the total surface area? After that you will find out the ratio in both the cases. So ratio of first surface area upon the total surface area of the second. When the radius is 14 centimeter, find out the cancel out and find out the ratio. So it will be 1:4. So this was, wait a minute if it is not visible. Yes, you can see like that. Okay, so you can see when radius was 7, so total surface area is 616. So I am writing in the form of multiplication 88 into 7. And when the radius is 14, so total surface area is 88 into 28. Now divide both the ratios, both the total surface area, and find out the form. So it will be 1/4. So 1/4 means you can write it as 1:4. So this is your question number 4. Now we will start our next question. Question number 5 is given. A hemispherical ball made of brass has inner diameter 10.5 centimeter. Find the cost of tin plating in it at the cost of rupees 16 per 100 centimeter square. Okay, a hemispherical ball is given and this is made of brass. As the inner diameter is 10.5 centimeter. Find the cost of tin plating in it at the cost of rupees 16 per 100 centimeter square. Clear? So in this question simply what is given? First hemispherical ball is given. So it will be like that. This one will be your hemispherical ball and whose the inner diameter. Okay, so this one is given 10.5 centimeter. This one is the inner diameter and this one is given 10.5 centimeter. Find the cost of tin plating in it at the cost of rupees 1600 meters square. So first of all, when you will do the tin plating in it, it means you will do in the inner part. Okay, when you are doing the tin plating in it, so you will do it in the curved part or inner part only. You will not do it within the. So बेटा आप उसको उसके साइड में तो tin plating करोगे, tin plating उसके अंदर थोड़ी करनी है आपको. So what will you do? जब आपको उसकी tin plating करोगे, so what will you find out? So you will find out the curved surface area of the ball. Okay, so curved surface area of the ball. So simply what is given? First of all, the inner diameter is given. Inner diameter is given 10.5 centimeter. So what will be the radius? So radius will be 10.5 upon 2. So it will be 105 upon 20 you can write, and you can cancel out by 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 4s are 20. So 21/4. So this is inner radius. Now the cost of tin plating in it at the rupees 16 per 100 centimeter square. So here first of all you will find out the curved surface area. Curved surface area or lateral surface area of spherical ball. Of spherical ball. So what will be the total curved surface? Why you are finding the curved surface area? Because you are doing the tin plating in it, and the tin plating will be in the part of the curve. Okay, curved part in the. So what will be that? So it will be curved surface area, and what is the formula? 2 pi r square. Now put the value 2 into pi. Pi is 22/7. R square, so 21/4 into 21/4. 7 3s are 21, 2 2s are 24, and 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. Clear? Now it will be 11 3s are 33, multiply 21 upon 4. Multiply 21 and 33. So it will be 3, 9 and 6. So 693 upon 4. And this is, you can write in the decimal also if you want to leave here, so you can leave. Okay, so this is the curved surface area and this is in centimeter square because the radius was, diameter was in the centimeter. Now the cost of 100 centimeter square is rupees 16. So cost of tin plating of 100 centimeter square is equal to 16 rupees. Now cost of tin plating of 1 centimeter square will be 16 upon 100, and cost of tin plating what is the curved surface area? 693 by 4 centimeter square will be 16 upon 100 multiply 693 upon 4. Clear? Now you can cancel out 4 4s are 16. Is it visible? Yes. So cost of tin plating of 100 centimeter square is rupees 16. Cost of tin plating of 1 centimeter square will be 16 upon 100. And the cost of tin plating कितने एरिया पे करनी? Curved surface area. And what is curved surface area? 693 by 4 centimeter square. So it will be 16 upon 100 multiply 693 by 4. By 4 you can cancel out 4 4 is 16. Now 693 multiply 4 upon 100. So multiply it. 4 3 is 12. 1 30 4 9 36 and 1 37 3 and 27 and divide by 100. 2772. So you can write it as 27.72 and this is cost. So this will be in the rupees. 27.72 rupees. So this one will be the cost of tin plating of 100 centimeter scale of 693 upon 4 centimeter scale. Clear? So this was your question number 5. A hemispherical bowl is given and made of brass, as inner diameter is given 10.5. So inner radius will be divided by 2. So it will be 21 by 4. Now find the cost of tin plating in it at the cost of rupees 1600 per 100 centimeter square. So simply first of all you will find out the curved surface area because you want to do the tin plating on the bowl. Okay, and you will do at the curved part, on the curved part only. Okay, so this will be the curved surface area and this one will be 2 pi r square. Total surface area will be 4 pi r square and the curved surface area or lateral surface area will be 2 pi r square. Put the values, find out the curved surface area. Now cost of tin plating of 100 centimeter square is given rupees 16. 1 centimeter square will be 16 upon 100 and 693 upon 4 centimeter square will be multiply 693 by 4 and find out the answer. So it will be 27.72 and this one is cost. So this one will be in the rupees. So this was your question number 5.